In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing on Reddit. First, you'll want to log into your Reddit account. Once you're logged in, look up at the top right of the screen and find the button that says Create with a plus icon. Click on that. This is where you start any new post. At the top, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose which community or subreddit you want to post in. Make sure you pick a community that actually talks about the type of product you're promoting, and always check their rules about self-promotion before you go any further. Next, choose the post type. Reddit lets you post text, images, and video, links, or polls. For affiliate marketing, a text post is usually the safest and most natural, so that's what we'll focus on here. Select the text option so you can write a full post with a title and body content. Now, start by entering your title. A great style of title for Reddit affiliate marketing is something like, I tested different budget earbuds for a month. This kind of title works because it sounds like a personal experiment or story, not a sales pitch. It feels natural, as if you're just sharing your own experience. In the body of the post, expand on that story. For example, you might say that you tried 3 different options in your daily life. That implies a real comparison and helps build trust, because it sounds more like an honest review than advertising. As you describe your testing, break down your results clearly so they're easy to follow. You can walk through sound quality, comfort, battery life, and price, and talk about what you liked and what you didn't. The key is to focus on honest pros and cons, not hype. Notice that you don't even need to mention specific product names right away. Keeping things general at first lowers the pressure and makes people more comfortable reading your post. You can also add a small element of surprise, like saying you didn't expect much from one of the options, but it ended up performing better than you thought. That kind of detail makes readers curious about which product actually came out on top. At the end, instead of saying, buy this product, use a soft bridge. Something like, if anyone's interested, I can share which one I ended up keeping and where I found it. This invites people to ask for the link rather than having you push it on them. This approach follows a Reddit-safe affiliate formula: personal testing, real comparison, honest pros and cons, a surprising result, and then a gentle curiosity hook. What usually fails on Reddit is dropping links too early, sounding like an ad, talking about only one product with no comparison, and skipping the story. Once you're happy with your title and content, scroll down to the bottom right of the editor. From there, you can choose to save your post as a draft, schedule it for later, or publish it right away. Select the option that fits your plan, and you're done.